I think it was quite a lively discussion. It was intriguing to hear everyone giving such sort of diverse opinions on subjects. There was, whilst there was agreement on some, there's also quite a lot of disagreement, which, obviously makes for a healthy debate. But I think I'll call them the three Ps actually that seemed to come out of the debate today were a lot about power and its availability, a lot about people and labour, and a little bit about planning actually, which is obviously a major barrier to bringing sites forward. So those seem to be three key subjects today that brought up, a lot of, as I said, lively debate. When we started this whole process, which was, the first logistics census, it was to try and understand our industry, which has, as I say, seen so much change. I think with the two research pieces that we've done, we've been able to do that. And not only that, we've been able to hopefully now benchmark some data. So when we go and do this in a year's time, we can then look and see where the direction of travel is.
Everybody has a voice, and the more voices that we can tease out their views and opinions will undoubtedly help us shape industrial and logistics real estate in the UK going forward. Another feature of this evening really is, very conscious that we have a very educated audience. These guys and girls are all significant players in our market, that they're all market makers, and unsurprisingly we were going to get some good questions, and was again just this emphasis around no one occupier or no one building or no one design fits all. So we come back to very quickly that the sort of non-homogeneous nature of industrial logistics, it's a very diverse sector. I've been involved in industrial and logistics real estate for nearly 30 years. And, I think we were always perceived a little bit as the poor relative, if you like, in the property industry. It's always been a great, fun industry to work in, and the characters and the players, many of whom have been around almost as long as I have. I think what's changed fundamentally in our market is the whole piece around structural change in the way we operate as consumers. But I think it's this consumer spending structural change that has really made the difference in our market, and frankly I think we're possibly at the tip of the iceberg, and that we will see that continue for many years to come. We don't gloat in our sector. I think we're very grounded as an industry, and I think that's probably quite typical of the characters that were both on the panel and also in the audience. And I think I probably said it at the start, I think we're quite a collaborative bunch.